Are you a realtor struggling to make your listing stand out? Here's a game changer. TidyTex Home Cleaning, a veteran-owned service in San Antonio, is here to elevate your properties. Imagine this: a beautiful home, meticulously cleaned and ready for showings. Our reliable and professional team specializes in preparing homes for sale, ensuring they shine brighter than the competition. We understand the urgency of quick turnarounds, especially before open houses or buyer visits. Our attention to detail transforms spaces, making them inviting and warm for prospective buyers. Here's a quick tidy tip for you. For little to no cost, enhance a home's appeal by opening all the blinds and turning on lights before a showing. A well-lit space highlights the best features and helps buyers feel at home. With TidyTex, you're not just cleaning, you're creating an atmosphere where buyers can envision their future. Ready to close deals faster? Contact us today. Check the video description for more details, including our website, phone number, and email. Your next sale starts with a clean slate, and we're here to help.